In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn on the dark mode on your Instagram, right? Let's say for some reasons you would want to okay, you can look at my screen preview right now. You can see this is currently the dark mode. I'm going to show you how you can do that on Instagram. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. If I head over to my Instagram, you can see this is currently in the white display, and let's say for some reasons you might love to turn it to dark, right? So this video basically for educational purpose only. So click on this more, right? Once I've clicked on the more, you're going to see the switch appearance, right? If I click on it, you're going to see the dark, right? If I click on it, you can see our Instagram profile has been switched, right? So you can do this if you'd love to do this, or if you love scrolling through on the dark mode version or appearance. If you found this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through this video, only for educational purpose only. I'm going to see you all in the very next one.